In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami Yoda head. This is an original design, much like my other design, Baby Yoda. Make sure to check that out if you like it. It's really similar. So, just start with a 6-inch square piece of paper, and have the green on one side and white on the other. So start with the green side up, make a diagonal fold. Unfold, make another one. Unfold that, turn the paper over, and now we're going to do some horizontal folds. Alright, now we're going to make a square base. So using the folds we just made, we're going to collapse the paper into a square base. Okay, now take one side of the paper here and bring it up to about... First we're going to take this piece and we're going to fold it in half here. Make a quick mark fold. And we're going to fold it down to that mark fold. Okay? Now, open the paper up, take this point out, make a reverse fold. Same thing on the other side. I'm going to make sure to get them even there, so... Okay. Now once you have that done, take one corner of the paper here and pull it all the way out and lift this paper up in kind of a gravity fold. We're going to fold it at this point right here all the way to this point. And make one continuous fold. And kind of fold that in a 90 to this. Okay, like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Hold paper all the way out. And then fold them both. Fold paper at these 2 points, this one and this one. Make sure you get this paper right here. Okay, the next step is the eyes. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Okay, so take this point here, and you're going to make a little fold here. It's hard to describe because it's kind of a little fold and collapse here. Something like that. You can do it however you're liking. Okay, like that. Okay, now the next step is we're going to take these 2 layers of paper here, these 2 points, and we're going to bring them up to about that earlier folded mark here. And we're going to crease it down here well. Now, the next step, just take this and fold it down to about here. Okay, and unfold that. Now tuck the top layer, reverse fold and tuck it like that. Okay, and then fold this peak in. Now you can change this however you want. You can make his nose bigger, smaller. This is just a little nose. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to do a little shaping. So next we're going to take this paper here. So turn the bottle over, and we're going to just do a little shaping of the head. Make a little fold like that. Look what that looks like. Okay, it's not bad. I like his chin to be a little wider though, so I'm actually going to slim this down a little bit. Always got a wide head. Okay, now we're going to take this ear tip and we're going to fold that under, we'll make it just a little bit angled, like that. Same thing on the other side. Now we're going to take the top here and we're going to shape the top of his head a little bit, just like that. And you can do this to whatever you're liking. If you like to go to head to be really slim, big, I like my chin kind of big. And then now, we're going to work on the ear a little bit. So, make a mountain fold, and then valley fold. Just give his ears a little shape there. Make a mountain fold, a little valley fold. Make it tight, just a little bit upturned, and the model is done. This one is a little bit different. I kind of like it a little better. I will give it a little more time, but this one's pretty good too. So you get to just kind of make it how you like and to your liking. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to me for more great videos. I'm coming out with a lot more Star Wars videos. My next one's going to be a Kylo Ren mask, so stay tuned for that. Okay, well, I'll see you. Bye bye.